In the year 3000 the AI took over the world except for USA and Russia, thinking they will not work together.
We have no choice but to put our differences aside. President Volkov.
Agreed, President Harrington. Our nations must unite to combat the common enemy.
The robots are rising.
We must devise a strategy, a united front against these machines.
Indeed. Our combined forces are our only hope. We must set aside our differences for the survival of our nations.
We cannot let our nations fall. We must push forward, united.
Together, we will prevail. Our people depend on us.
The robots are working on their weapons.
We're almost there. We cannot falter now.
Our unity will be their downfall. We will reclaim our world.
The robots will travel at 12 o'clock. The battle has started.
You have won this award for your excellent teamwork.
Thank you.
Thanks.